Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly grocery haul and weekly meal plan. Everything that you see here was roughly a little over $100 because we did go to Sam's Club. So I spent roughly $50 and Jared spent about $50 also. Before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you have a channel. Let me know if you do any cooking videos, budgeting videos, anything like that. I would love to go and support you guys. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. So first off, we went to Sam's. The fruit looked so good, you guys. So we got these raspberries that was on sale for $4, so I had to pick up a pack. These grapes are really crisp. I already had a few, and they were on sale for $4.98, so about $5. They looked really good. These halos, I already had two because I was really starving, you guys, while we were shopping. So I had to pick up some of these, and they're really good. They're really juicy. I hate that word, but can't lie. All right, and then we got some eggs just to replenish our stuff because I need to make some boiled eggs for breakfast this week. They had some Captain Crunch. That's what we've been eating. Well, Jared's mostly been eating. I think I had like 2 bowls and that's about it. But there is a 2-pack that was like $6. It's the regular Captain Crunch and the berry one. So we picked that up. We also needed to get some more garlic and some pink Himalayan salt. So the garlic was roughly about $5. Himalayan salt was $4. And then Jared wanted, I didn't really care about this, but Jared wanted the peppercorn medley. I don't mind just a regular black pepper, but he wanted that, and that was like $6, almost $7. All right, and then that is everything that we had at Sam's. Moving right along to Walmart, we had to get this big pack of Mao cheddar cheese because we're running out. Tennessee Pride, we had the hot country sausage for a recipe this week. Croissant, that goes with the Tennessee Pride. Jared needed some cheese, and he got the jalapeno cream cheese. We got some dill seasoning for some steaks next week. Jalapenos. You guys, Jared found these, and I love me some Flamin' Hot. And it's dill pickle flavors, so I really had to try this, so I just picked that up. Jared wanted some of these chips also. We got some cookies because I need to stop eating carbs and sweets. We picked up these Reese's snack mixes because they were 75 cents. It was on clearance from $1.78. We picked up a discounted meat. We're not cooking this next week, but it's cube steak. It was $5.11, so we will be making that in the next couple of weeks. Vegetable-wise, we needed some broccoli, zucchini. I got an avocado I'm going to throw in the pantry. Mushrooms, garlic, and the asparagus. All right, you guys, so that is everything that we spent at Walmart, and here is the Sam's view again. Now let's get, oh, I forgot we got Red Bull because we're picking up Jared's brother from the airport tomorrow, so he's going to be driving early in the morning, so he needed Red Bull. And then he bought me a Sprite, and I've just been drinking on that. All right, so let's get into the meal plan. All right, so the meal plan is really up in the air this week. So when you are watching this, it is Friday, so this video will not be up until Sunday. So Saturday, we're going to be picking up his brother from the airport, and he's going to be here from Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So I have no idea what we're doing. I don't know if we're cooking. I don't know if we're going to be going out to eat because I don't know. It's his first time in Alabama, so we're just figuring out with my fiance's and his sisters also. But on Wednesday, I'm on call, so we're going to have breakfast casserole, and that can actually be leftovers for Thursday because I work a 12-hour shift. Friday I work a 12-hour shift, but my mom's coming into town. She's going to be staying night because this is the weekend that I'm actually off and not on the weekend night shift. So we're going to have steak with bacon wrapped asparagus. And then Saturday we're going to go to the Asian market, supposedly, and then hang out with my brother and everything. So we're going to have steamed fish with roasted zucchini. So that is our weekly meal plan. I am going to try my best to film what we eat if we go out to dinner at a restaurant and stuff. But here's the overview once again. Make sure that you subscribe down below so you won't be missing any more of my videos. Thank you for everybody who actually comes back and rewatches it, comments, and everything. I do love y'all, and I thank you for all the support. But I will see you guys next week, and y'all have a blessed week. Bye.